requested you all to mute you all. Okay, guys, let's start here. I'm just sharing some notes here, and you need to check with that. So we have covered 4 types of noun till now: a proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, and collective noun.
Collective noun.
Yes. So now we are going to cover
possessive
noun. Yes. So now we are going to cover a possessive noun. Okay. So you can see the definition which I have texted you. A Sweden small definition. Possessive nouns are nouns that shows ownership. कोई भी चीज किसी की है, हम ownership बता रहे हैं. Definitely we need to use possessive noun there. Like this is Hiba's book. Whose book is that? This is Hiba's book. So Hiba's will be an example of possessive noun. Guys, please mute yourself as it is disturbing the entire class. Okay, so now you can see here possessive nouns are nouns that shows an ownership. कोई भी ownership बताता है, जैसे कि ये मेरी बुक है, ये मेरा घर है, ये उसकी किताब है, ये उसका ये है. एक कोई भी चीज जो ownership बताता है, a thing which is describing an ownership that comes under the category of possessive noun. Okay, so here you can see some of the examples which I'm sending you right now. You can see the list of examples here. It should be books cover. Kiska cover? Book ka cover. So it should be books cover. This is Raima's pen. Kiski pen? Raima ki pen. अब Raima की spelling में हम सिर्फ S नहीं लिख सकते. For showing a belongingness, it is important to put apostrophe S. Apple State. Boss's car. Because मैं यहाँ पे ownership कार किसकी है? Boss की कार है. So boss's car. Computer's keyboard. Cat's tuna. Diane's book. Diabetics symptoms. Fish's egg. So कोई भी चीज का जब हम ownership बताते हैं, whenever we are talking about the ownership of something, it is important to use possessive noun. Possessive noun is nothing but a noun which shows an ownership. Goddess beauty. Florida's climate. Jim's rules. House's roof. Jam's ingredient. किसका ingredient? Jam का ingredient. It should be jam's ingredient. Laundry's smell. किसकी smell? Laundry की smell. So it should be laundry's smell. Lawyer's fees. किसकी fees? Lawyer की fees. Marble's shape. किसका shape? Marble का shape. Month's work. कौन सा काम? Month का काम. People's vote. Progress's reward. Sun's ray. किसका rays? Sun's का rays. And then today's newspaper. कौन सा newspaper? आज का newspaper. So it should be today's newspaper. Trees bark. क्या bark कर रहा है? Trees bark. Victor's spoils. Watermelon's ring. So कोई भी चीज को इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं. रियाज बुक. कोई भी चीज को हम इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं या ओनरशिप बता रहे हैं कि ये चीज इसकी है, ये चीज उसकी है. इस कंडीशन में हम यूज करेंगे possessive noun. And always possessive nouns end with the apostrophe s. Apostrophe means ये जो साइन है आपके पास फिर s लिखा हुआ है, इसको बोलते हैं apostrophe s. जैसे कि people हमारे पास एक वर्ड है. We have a word people. राइट हम पीपल में सिर्फ एस नहीं लगा सकते, हम PEOPLS नहीं बोल सकते बिकॉज वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. लेकिन हम ऐसा पीपल बोल सकते हैं, ये पीपल्स हम बोल सकते हैं. पर्सन खुद ही एक सिंगुलर वर्ड है. पर्सन का प्लूरल क्या होता है? पीपल. पर्सन का प्लूरल पीपल होता है, बट हम पर्सन में क्या कर सकते हैं? पर्सन्स ऐसे लगा सकते हैं. विथ एपोस्ट्रोफी एस वी कैन डेफिनेटली पुट दैट, but without apostrophe सिर्फ ऐसे हम persons में नहीं put कर सकते. So these are the rules of the grammar that we all need to remember that. Let me check if someone is waiting or not. No. Kindly recheck those points from here, and I wanted you to mention such things in your copy. Kindly write the definition and few of the examples here. सारे examples लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो at least कोई भी 5 examples you can choose from here and you can write in your copy. Any 5 examples. First, write the definition. Possessive nouns are nouns that shows ownership. It's called possessive noun. Few number of examples we have here. Kindly write the definition first and then write the examples here.
What is the meaning of Florida's climate?
Florida is the name of a place. Florida's climate, like Hyderabad's climate. So it should be Florida's climate. Florida is the name of a place. Kindly write it in your copy with definition and this. These are the examples. Any 5 examples you can choose and you can write from here. Okay, Zaima, let's wait for others for a minute. Once they're done with the writing part, we'll start. Okay, I hope you all are done. Now let's practice some of the examples here. I'm waiting for some examples, guys. Kindly give me an examples. The mangoes peel. The mangoes. Example is correct, but it should be apostrophe S, Zainab. We want to follow the traffic's rule. It should be, okay, fine, correct. Can I get few more examples? A book's cover. It should be apostrophe S, Rahil. Not only books, it should be apostrophe S, book's cover. किसका cover है? Books का cover है. And kindly frame a sentence example of that. A boss's car. Boss's car. My car runs fast. ये सिर्फ normal runs होगा. यहाँ पे apostrophe नहीं आएगा साइमा, because ये कोई चीज differently show नहीं कर रहा है. The mango tree, again a simple example. We need to put something with apostrophe. The road's paint. किसका paint है? Door का paint है, correct. It is my father's car, correct. The apple's taste is sweet, correct. The apple's tasty, no. Try to frame another one, Zoha. Very good that you have tried. You can also give me examples of from some name. आप मुझे किसी के नाम से रिलेटेड भी एग्जांपल्स दे सकते हैं. इट्स completely up to you. Just a minute, I'll check if someone is waiting on or not. No. Let's continue. I saw your coat. It is my mother's mobile. It should be mother's. किसका फोन है? आपकी मदर का है, तो मदर्स. इट शुड बी apostrophe s. I saw your coat. यहाँ पे Zaima example is correct, but this is not an example of possessive noun. It is my favorite song. It is my favorite song. यहाँ पे apostrophe s की जरूरत नहीं है उसमें. जब आप कोई चीज बता रही है कि स्पेसिफिकली आपकी ही है, वहां पे आपको यूज करना है. The peoples are throwing garbage. Correct. Very good example, Amina. It is my brother's computer. Very good, Shaista. Rahul's new car is awesome. Correct. Avoid using abbreviation. Try to write the complete word while framing an example. Correct, Nazia. Example sahi hai aapka. Can I get few more examples, guys? I have John's pen. Correct. Elie's book. It's my sister's birthday. Very good. Very good, Zaima. Shifa Naz, आप मुझे इसका sentence example बना के दीजिए. The pillows cover. Uzma, try to give me a proper sentence example of this. It's my brother's cat. The book's cover is colorful. Colorful is a one word and should be colorful. F-U-L. Fatima. The remaining things are correct. आपका possessive का example बिल्कुल सही है. It's my aunt marriage. यहाँ पे Zaima कोई भी abstract noun नहीं है. ये जो it's है, this is not an example of possessive noun. This is it is. That is my uncle's house. Yes, uncle's house. This is correct, but you need to put apostrophe while mentioning uncles. Let me check if someone is waiting or not. This is my boss car. Okay. Shaista, you just correct this example for uncle. Desert's climate is very hot. Very good, Zaki. Can I get few more examples quickly, guys? देखिए, आप जिन्होंने नाम से रिलेटेड एग्जाम्पल्स बना दिए हैं, अब आप ऐसा एग्जाम्पल बनाने की कोशिश करिए जहाँ पे आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. जिन्होंने कॉमन एग्जाम्पल्स बना दिए हैं, आई वांटेड देम टू गिव डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर यू गाइस स्ट्रगल. My mother bought new diamond necklace. Yes, but examples you can make that, right? 4 minutes are more than enough. Beta, 4 minutes is more than enough. You can definitely frame good examples here. It is my brother's toy. It is my uncle's house. My mom bought new diamond ring. New diamonds ring. It should be diamonds. Today's newspapers are too funny. Okay. Yes, Abdul, I know that 4 minutes is left, but still you can frame some examples, right? It hardly takes few seconds to frame an example, so you can frame that.
Ma'am, that is my mom bought new diamond necklace.
Okay, that's correct. This example is correct. Only आपको use करना है apostrophe s over there. It's my writing. See, Zaima, it's my writing. It means it is. ये apostrophe s show नहीं कर रहा है. Apostrophe s आप कोई noun पे ही use करते हैं. We generally use in the place of noun itself. It is not a noun. और ये it apostrophe s मतलब it is. जैसे कि I, ये क्या हुआ? ये apostrophe s हम apostrophe लगाए, लेकिन I will हुआ. इसका meaning change हुआ. उसी तरह वो है it is. The shopping malls are very beautiful in Hyderabad. Okay, correct. I have to read my progress reward. Very good. Very good examples, guys. Good going. Now I can see many of the students have participated that I really admire. My father bought My father bought pretty necklace. Only bought should be there. The lawyer's fees is correct. It's my sister's whiteboard. It should be sisters, Abdul. It is fish's egg. Okay, correct. Okay, guys, you have practiced very well. I wanted you to even practice after the class. Okay, that is really very important for practice. So from tomorrow, see guys, we do have few more types of noun, but that is not required here. We will only cover the thing which is required. So 5 types of noun, it's done. So from once we start our next class, we will cover forms of noun. हम क्या cover करेंगे? We will cover forms of noun. That is very interesting and you will really enjoy while covering the forms of noun. So we have many types of noun. बहुत सारे types of noun है हमारे पास, but उसमें से बहुत ही rare है जो हम use करते हैं. जैसे कि common, proper, जो भी important था वो मैंने आपको बता दिया. Now the thing which we need to start, that is types of forms of noun. 5 forms of noun होते हैं. Singular noun, plural noun. Singular, plural आप सुन रहे हैं तो आपको बहुत easy लग रहा है, but जब आप उसको पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे, you will really enjoy while covering this. And then we have feminine noun and masculine noun. ये दो noun हमें gender बताते हैं, which is a masculine gender and which is a feminine gender. It means which is a male gender and which is a female gender. And then the 5th form of noun, that is common gender noun, जो दोनों ही gender बताते हैं, common भी और like जैसे कि doctor, it's a common gender. लड़का भी हो सकता है, लड़की भी हो सकती है. So those examples we generally frame. Okay, correct examples, guys. Okay, so we'll wind up this session here. I wanted you all to join the session and cover the remaining part whenever we start our class. Okay, in your next class. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.